Welcome to Benny Benny 2178, where you learn English and Luganda easily. And for my subscribers, keep tuned for better and good learning lessons coming soon. So let's start HowTo Tan Diki.
Mwasibye mutya bannyabo ne bassebo. Hello and welcome. And in today's video, we are going to look at reading Luganda and English words. Tricks on how to read Luganda and English words. But let's first note, vowels are essential in reading words in Luganda and English. Vowels are essential in reading words in Luganda and English. And for further reference about vowels, refer to lesson 1 and 2 as shown in the description box. Okay, the first three letters of the word aid in knowing how to read and pronounce the word. First three letters help in knowing how to read and pronounce the word. Okay, also note the pronunciation of vowels a, y, o, u. A, y, o, u. And for my subscribers, thanks very much for loving the channel. So let's start. Katu tandike. Katu tandike. An example, I am sick. I am sick. Please note, when a letter stands alone in a sentence, it is read the way it is read according to the alphabet. Okay. I singly stands in a sentence, I am sick. So I will read it as I. Am comes from two letters. And remember, we've said the first three letters are essential in a word to describe how it is read and pronounced. Okay, so am, it has two letters, A and M. But how is A pronounced according to vowel letters? A is A. A is A, and am has a vowel letter at the start. So A plus M is going to be am, forming am. Okay. Sick, let's first consider the first three letters. S, I, C. Is that a vowel letter? Yes. And what is it? It is I. But how is I pronounced according to vowel letters? E, forming S sound C. Sick. When you add on the C and K, you will get forming sick. Sick. I am sick. It's going to be I am sick. Hope you've noted the trick. Yes. I am sick. Let's proceed. In Luganda, I am sick. It's going to be Nze ndi mulwadde. Nze ndi mulwadde. Remember, Nze comes from N-Z-E. Is that a vowel letter? Yes, and it is E. How is E pronounced according to vowel letters? A. So N-Z-E will form Nze. Nze. Indi. Indi comes from first three letters are N, D, and I. Is that a vowel letter? Yes. And that is I. How is I pronounced according to vowel letters? Yi. Yi. So N, D, and I it's going to be indi. Indi, forming indi. Mulwadde. Mulwadde. First three letters are M, U, L. M, U, L. Is that a vowel letter? Yes, and that is U. And how is U pronounced according to vowel letters? Wu, wu. Forming M and U, it is mu, 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 mu. When you add on the L, it is mul, mul. Okay, and what are the remaining letters? W, A, D, E. What are the three letters on this word? W, A, D. Is that a vowel letters? Yeah, and that is A. How is A pronounced according to vowel letters? A, forming word. When you add on the E, it is wa, de, wa, de. So, mulwadde, it is mulwadde, mulwadde, mulwadde. Nze ndi mulwadde. Okay, let's proceed. Hello. Hello. What are the first three letters? H, A, L. Is that a vowel letter? Yes, and it is A. How is A pronounced according to vowel letters? A, forming hal, hal. When you add on the remaining letters, L and O, it's going to be pronounced as lo. Since L and O is a vowel letter, and O is pronounced as O. So, hello, hello. Okay, let's proceed. Dog, dog. What are the first three letters? D, O, G. Is that a vowel letter? Yes, and that is O. D, O is going to be do. When you add on the G, it's dog, 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 forming dog. Dog in Luganda, it's going to be embwa, embwa. First three letters, E, M, B. Is that a vowel letter? Yes, and that is E. How is E pronounced? A. EMB is emb, emb. Remaining letters W and A. Is that a vowel letter? A is a vowel letter, forming wa, wa. Altogether is embwa, embwa. Okay, let's proceed. Well, well. First three letters W, E, L. Vowel letter E. E is pronounced as A, forming well, well. Add on the remaining letter, it's well, well. Okay, let's proceed. Happy, happy. First three letters H, A, P. H, A, P. Is that a vowel? Yes. That is A. A is pronounced as A, forming hap, hap. Remaining letters P, Y, pronounced as P, P, forming happy, happy. In Luganda is Okusanyuka. Okusanyuka. First letters O, K, U. Is that a vowel? Yes, and that is O. How is O pronounced? Is O, forming oku. Oku. Remaining letters S, A, Y. S, A, Y. Forming san. San. Remaining letters san. When you add on the K and R, it's sanyuka. Sanyuka. Forming okusanyuka. Okusanyuka. Let's proceed. Box. Box. First three letters B, O, X. B, O, X. Is that a vowel? O. O is pronounced as O. When you add on the X is box. Box. Okay. In Luganda, box is bokisi. Bokisi. First three letters B, O, O. Please note, in Luganda, when we have double letters, we prolong the sound. Bo, bo. Remaining letters K, I, S, forming kiss. Kiss. When you add on the I, it's kissy. The word is bokisi. Bokisi. Please note the prolonging of the word since it has double vowels. Bokisi. Okay. Please note there are some exceptions while pronouncing and reading words in English. Yes, there are some exceptions on words while pronouncing words in English. For example, girl. Girl. You cannot say girl. Girl, that will be another word. So it is girl. Okay. Judge. Judge. You cannot say Jude because that's the order according to English. How to read it. Judge. Okay. Yes, and those are the tricks on reading words in English and Luganda. Hope you've liked the video. And if you're new to this channel, I am Ben, your English and Luganda teacher. And if you're looking forward to improve your vocabulary, both English and Luganda, subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye. Mweraba.